The cryptocurrency markets are getting ready for a massive upswing in the first quarter of 2025. I'll take care of you. Let's get started without further ado. Bitcoin has dropped 1.2% over the past day to $95,961. Ethereum's price is currently down 1.07% at $3,341. Yes, it's still going strong, buddy. In terms of XRP, USDT, and USDC are both trading at their dollar pegs. It's down 2.59% over the past day, but at $2.20, it's still above $2 and showing some life on the hourly, which isn't too bad. All cryptocurrencies have a combined market capitalization of $3,316 million. Now, Q1 will be a great period for cryptocurrencies in general, as everyone is starting to forecast. Not just Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies, but the markets as a whole will see a huge rally. We know that Trump will officially take office on the 20th. And that Gary Gensler will not be there. When President Trump announced the hiring of a crypto czar who is very pro-crypto, he made a smart move. Let's proceed to the Bitcoin chart now. What are we observing? Like clockwork, the range is something you should not fool with, as we have stated. Permit me to look up to $100,000 or $90,000. The opposition is growing. It's true that Bitcoin has a very small range, because market makers know that Bitcoin would soar once it breaks out and gets above the $115,000 threshold. They have been told to maintain it inside a very restricted range. At that time, the bull run will officially begin, and $150,000 to $225,000 will come in no time. But in the short term, what are we looking at? It's simple. The top side of it has 96,000 resistance points. We have a good support area of around 93 in case of a breakdown. There is support in the $90,000 range even below that. Since there is a lot of demand around $92,100 as well, I don't think Bitcoin will ever reach $92,500. After that, it will likely be around $90,000. In my prediction, I said that Bitcoin would not likely reach $90,000. If we zoom out on this, you can see the vast range we are in, just slicing away at it. The significance of this range cannot be overstated. There is a reason and a purpose behind this withholding, so that people were aware of what was approaching and what they should expect. $217,000 is the initial area of interest. We had another support at $2.14 if that didn't hold. Additionally, we had additional support at roughly $1.97 if we could scroll down here. This indicates that it is $1.97 and $1.964. That's what we're thinking about for XRP. Is it possible for us to return to that region one last time? We could, but I'm not worried about it. There is no need for concern. In this case, we should be worried about the growing opposition we face. After $2.23 is broken, there will be a lot of resistance at the $2.30 area, but $2.50 will be a good jump to get above. The $2.70 zone, which is important and a thorn in the side that XRP has consistently struggled to break, may be our next target when $2.50 is broken. The fact that it will be shattered will enable XRP to soar to $1.03 per share, reaching our goal price of $3 to $4 for XRP is the next big milestone. Gordon said, "We have a big move for XRP. He intends to call it by January 4th. After all, do we believe him? Is he right? You know, when you put a date on something, I simply can't get into it. I anticipated it in Q1. It would be great if that could occur by January 4th. Let's be honest, that's by next Saturday. He expects XRP to rise significantly. As you know, Gordon is the one who shorted XRP at $2.72 back down to $2, or claims to have done so. He now claims that he invested in it long-term and that XRP is about to soar and reach $3. I'm up for it. I've been ready for this since 2017. I am ready for XRP to surpass $5. I'm ready for XRP to go above $10. As I said before, I wish it would all just happen. In Q1, I'm aiming for a crazy run. Raise the price of this above $5. It costs between $5 and $10. I would be ecstatic. This whole thing chops along and climbs up, undoing what we just did with the retrace, and then we have to fall back down. It cuts back down when we attempt to chop it back up. I'm done with it. He must also be sick of it. Look, it was really simple to hold XRP when it was trading between 50 and 60 cents for a while. It was easy. When XRP is increasing in swings between $2.70 and $1.96 before returning to $2.70, it becomes difficult to hold on to. It creates emotional and mental turmoil since so much money is being lost. As I previously stated, XRP's trajectory saw a big shift after surpassing $1. We're not just going up a cent or a cent every day. We're starting to accelerate. This happens fast. 5 cents, 10 cents, 10 cents. The price of XRP will hit $10 in just 3 months if this trend continues. I would be overjoyed to see it. Do it now. That's what I say. Why are we here? $10 XRP. Let's have a wild time. It asserts that the price of XRP has continued its steep decrease over the past day and is currently trading above $2.20. However, researchers are still concerned that XRP's price may reach new highs sooner rather than later. Some believe it may reach the 2-digit threshold of $10 and above. Surprisingly, cryptocurrency analyst CryptoSunk recently shared his thoughts on social media about a potential future for XRP. He points out that XRP was nearly halfway to replicating its 460% price breach from its early October range of 50 cents, based on price behavior from 2017. If this trend continues, the expert predicts that XRP will break out above $10 in the first quarter of 2025. However, CryptoSunk's Q1 projections surpass this initial $10 target. If the price of XRP continues to move in the same direction after the first quarter, the analyst forecasts what he refers to as a moonboy blow-off top. This phase is characterized by a more notable parabolic price surge, which might send XRP to $35 by the third or fourth quarter of 2025. Take a look. The parabolic blow-off top was one of our topics. We talked about it coming in the late summer or early fall. He has. As you can see, a number of analysts have moved their bull run forecasts to 2025 as a result of the slight decline we are currently going through. Many people think that by now Bitcoin would have become popular. It didn't. They expect to take off early in 2025, prolonging the bull run through the end of the year. We are aware of this. For all cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and altcoins, Q1 is anticipated to be around tax season. The adjustment is then expected. People gaining money during tax season is rather frequent. Blow-off peaks are expected later in Q1. Right now, I have them in late July and early October. If that's the case, let it be Q4. The most important thing to take away from this is that blow-off tops will happen soon. We are aware of that. We know that there will be parabolic blow-off tops for XRP. I'll accept $35. Look, if XRP takes off and has a crazy run above $10 in Q1, I will be selling half of my shares. I will then hold on to the rest of my XRP to see where the blow-off top leads us in 2025. I know you're thinking, Rip, why would you do that? You see, I've been here since 2017. I haven't locked in a cryptocurrency profit since 2017. I've just been accumulating. I have almost 22 cryptocurrency holdings. 22, I have enough room to earn a living. If I can lock in earnings and give myself a sense of stability, I won't have to worry about price swings. My mental health will improve as a result. If XRP does blow off, I may sell the remaining half of my bag to lock in additional earnings of $20, $30, or $40. Making money has nothing wrong with it. Everyone is in danger. Everybody is looking for particular numbers and has a certain amount of XRP. Each person will have a unique number. As you know, I am pretty transparent on this channel. I keep you updated at every stage of our journey. In the improbable event that XRP reaches $10 during 2025's first quarter,